Well, hello lovelies. Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. And give this video a thumbs up for our sponsors, Black Girl Magic Hair. Listen, I'm gonna tell you, in this video we're about to do some black girl magic, and normally whenever we have a black girl magic involved when it comes to curls and things of that nature, it includes water or a whole bunch of products. But in this video I'm going to show you how to blend these clip-ins with ease, with just a little itty bit of leave out. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you learned anything from this video, or if it's like, girl, I do this already, let me know, let's talk. But look, your girl look crazy because this is a week before I take out these braids. This is the last week, so I'm going to get some out of it. I don't have a net on simply because I don't really need it, and I know that a lot of times you think that clip-in hair extensions may damage or they may hurt, but listen, if you feel them, you're putting them in wrong. There's a certain way that clip-in hair extensions go in, and if you just take your time and put them in a comfortable place, then you're fine. If you put the clip-ins in and you can feel them and they hurt in any way, go back and switch them around until they are in a place where you do not feel them. All right, so I only needed one bundle for this. At first it's going to look like, oh, that's not enough hair, but baby, once you like pick this hair out and everything, it really gives you some black girl magic for sure. And then the only product that I will be using in this video is from Design Essentials, so make sure you look below to check it out. Oh, I told a story, 2 products. It's going to be a product from Design Essentials, and I'm also going to be using edge control from Murs. I think it's Murs beeswax from Murs. All right, so those are the only 2 products that I will be using in this entire video, you guys. And know that you can do the same exact thing with your natural hair. All right, this product that I will be using from Design Essentials is actually something that you would use on your hair whenever you do like a silk press and you have flyaways. Instead of using regular edge control, you can end up using this, and it helps you to make things lay naturally. And then this way you don't have to worry about your hair shriveling up when water hits it, when the edge control melts, or anything like that. Super easy peasy, lemon squeezy. As you can see, I am already basically almost done putting these clips in, and I have hair parted out around the perimeter because lately I've been doing a lot of clip-ins like this, and you know, like U parts or V parts. So with me having this little portion of hair out at the top, it makes it super easy for me to change out different styles and stuff without anything. So play with it, girl, boy, whatever and stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. But we just gonna chill and kick it, and let me know what you think about this at the very end. And make sure that you check the links in the description box so you can get you some black girl magic too, because I'm in love with these clip-ins for sure. All right, okay, bye.
just need to calm down, honey. We need to calm down, honey. We need to calm down, honey. We need to calm down, down. We just need to calm down, honey. We need to calm down. if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is,